Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has expressed grief over the killing of 6 civilians in Jirbam district by Kuki militants. In a video release, Chief Minister N. Biren said that search operations are underway to find the killers of 3 women and children whose bodies were recovered from a river in Jirbam district last week. While terming the killing of women and children as a crime against humanity, Chief Minister N. Biren said that such barbaric acts have no place in any civilized society. He further added that Kuki terrorists who were involved in the barbaric killing will be brought to justice and the government will not rest until they are held accountable for the inhuman actions. Chief Minister N. Biren, through the video message, thanked CRPF personnel who had acted swiftly in neutralizing 10 Kuki terrorists in Jirbam.
Today, I stand here with profound sadness and anger to condemn the horrific killing of 3 innocent children and 3 innocent women by the Kuki terrorists after being taken hostage at Jirbam. Such barbaric acts have no place in any civilized society. Let me assure you that the hunt for these terrorists is currently underway and they will be brought to justice very soon. I also thank my center leaders for their relentless commitment to bring peace in the state. Apart from the existing forces deployed in the state, the central government has recently sent 20 companies of Central Armed Police Forces. Further, an additional 50 companies being sent to strengthen security and restore peace. We will continue to take every necessary step to ensure the safety of our peoples, irrespective of which community we belong to. Let us all condemn such barbaric violence in the strongest term. The killing of innocent women and children is a crime against humanity, and such acts can never be justified. Together we will overcome this dark time and work towards a more peaceful future.